Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. What ID do you need for Kraken? Now, before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why this is such an important question. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange, and as such, it's subject to a lot of regulations. One of those regulations is that they have to verify the identity of their users. This is to help prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. So, what ID do you need to get verified on Kraken? Well, it depends on a few factors, such as your country of residence and the level of verification you're trying to achieve. But in general, you'll need to provide a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. You may also need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or one bank statement. 1. www.forex.academy. www.forex.academy. Once you've submitted your documents, Kraken will review them and verify your identity. This process can take a few days. Once you're verified, you'll be able to access all of the features on Kraken, including trading, staking, and lending. So, there you have it. That's all you need to know about what ID you need for Kraken. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.